I'm gonna make another Chicken World video. I start with tiny main. Come on, tiny. Move on to this guy that cannot even scratch his own chin. That's sad. I feel horrible. And there's these that eat literally everything. You better not buy my camera. Hey, don't get out. So this guy's right here. That guy's right there. That guy's right there. Then the one over there. And also Pepper. Wait, not Pepper. Good Boy and Cookie. Cookie, where are you? The crowd misses you. Especially you. Because you're the greatest one in the channel. So, yeah. Chicken World series. Okay. Now we're going to check out the other chickens that I have. You do not get angry at me. Come on. No. Okay. Let's check out the other chickens. Let me pause the video so I can check them out. There's these guys. I'm going to close the cage because I do not feel safe. So these guys are eating watermelon. These guys are right here. We have an ant infestation there. And we have those guys again. We got these guys. We got those guys. So now I'm probably going to end the video right now because it takes so long to edit this video. So, bye. I'm just going to check out some stuff. Check out other ones out too. Chicken World theme song. Chicken World theme song. You stop looking at me. Cookie, let me hug you. Come on, no, come, chicken. You better. Oh, that guy was about to bite me. Bye. Me end the video. So, chicken, say goodbye. Stop biting me. Look, they're saying goodbye. Bye.